We'd all like to earn a little bit of extra money, wouldn't we? Well, if you're a real estate photographer, you're in the right place, because I'm going to tell you exactly how you could potentially double the money you earn on every photography job that you go to. So come on in, let's get to it, and let's all earn a little bit of extra money. So if you are a real estate photographer, you might have a decent and reliable client base by now. But how do you earn more money? Do you up your prices, or do you go out and find more clients? Well, if you up your prices, there's only so much you can do that, and it has to be quite incremental. And if you go and get more clients, well, there's only so many hours in the day that you can be working. So even if you get more, you can still only be doing the same amount of jobs. So how do you earn more money out of the clients you already have? Well, the way to do that is offer more services on each job. So what are these services? Well, the number one you need to be providing, and I think estate agents already expect by now, is providing a floor plan with photos. These can either be manually drawn and then sent off to be drawn up and you get it back the next day, or you can use apps like Cubicasa, which can go around with your phone, scan the property, and then again you get the floor plan the next day to send to the estate agent. The next, and probably the most important one of all, is providing video. That's because it's the service that's probably going to earn you the most money in the shortest space of time. That's because estate agents have now really upped their game on providing content on social media, so it's really important that you can provide this alongside photography. The easiest way to start doing this is by simply using your mobile phone. You'll need a phone with a wide lens, but you'll also need a mobile gimbal too. They can be picked up from anything between $50 to $150. The great reason for using your phone is you can easily shoot vertical video on it. And for estate agents, they're going to be producing content on Instagram Reels and also TikTok. So it's a really easy way to provide this, and it's a really easy way to earn some quick extra money. And in terms of editing, you can do this using free software like iMovie and CapCut. They're both really easy programs to use, and as I mentioned, they're both free to use. Next up is providing virtual tours. This is probably the one with the smallest learning curve in, as they're very easy to do if you're using software like Matterport. You can also pick up cameras very cheap for them now, which are about $400. And as I say, there isn't much to learn with this. And in terms of editing, there's very little to do after you've been to the property, but yet you really can double your money if you're doing these alongside photos. Next up, we've got offering drone services. And again, this can be learned really easily just over a weekend. If you are going to do it, I'd advise getting a drone which is under 250 grams in weight. This means there's going to be less restrictions put on you and can fly them in more residential spaces. So I'd advise going for the DJI Mini series. I've got the Mini 2 here. You can get them starting at around $300 all the way up to about $800. And they're great cameras, really easy to use. And the great thing about offering this service is you're only going to add about an extra 10 to 15 minutes onto each job just to get your photos and your extra bit of video. So really advise doing this, as it's a great way to earn extra cash on each job. So that's 4 main services I say you have to provide, but as a bonus one, I'd say start offering virtual staging too. If you don't know what this is, it's when you have an empty room and then you put furniture in it using CGI. I actually outsource this to another company and then add a bit of extra money on top as acting as a middleman. But there is AI software out there which you can probably do it yourself, but it's a great way to earn a bit of extra cash with little work. And estate agents love this because it looks so much better than just displaying empty properties on their listings. So I'd really advise doing it for a little bit of extra cash. So now you know how to do all those services, I'd really advise grouping them together in packages. That way the agents are more likely to take you up on using them, and you're going to quickly earn a lot more money. And honestly guys, in the last couple of years, I really have doubled my income, and you can too. So I'd really advise learning more to earn more. And if you'd like to know how to do Matterport virtual tours, I've got a link here, which will take you for a full walkthrough how to do it. So good luck guys, get earning some more money soon. Thanks for watching, see you all again soon.